Vet's Best Nature's Healthcare Aches and Pains Veteran Formulated. Okay, this is going to be 50 chewable tablets. Let's go ahead and look at the product facts on this side. Get a close-up look on that so you can see everything. Okay, and here is the directions for dog use right there, so you can see that. Let's go ahead and take a look at the size of these tablets. So you see the size of the tablets right there. Pretty good size tablet. And I highly recommend this for your dog. This is a great product. I've been using it for a year now. Vet's Best Nature's Healthcare Aches and Pains.